So today we are going to remove the backrest from our road.
Take 7. Action.
From our road.
Take 32.
From your
Take 57. Action. Arey!
from our Yezdi Roadster. So take out the Allen key. We have to take the small one. So first there is two bolts. First on this side. And another one is this side. For the seat we have a Allen bolt here. Pull it backward and it will come out. So to remove the backrest we have two options. Either we could remove it from here by removing these two bolts, or we can directly remove it from here. I'm gonna remove the backrest from here. So we have taken out the backrest. So we're gonna put this bolt again. See the look, guys, without backrest and without back seat. So I'm thinking to not put the back seat also. Because usually I ride alone and I don't have anyone.
Ampetoino.
We will not remove this because for pulling the bike, now guys, you can see the look.